Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I have an amazing application which you can use to make any of your old phone a CCTV camera. Yes, the application name which I have, that is IP Webcam. Why I choose this application? This is an amazing application and very easy to use, which I'm gonna tell you how you can able to use it in your phone. When you open it, it will be open up like this. This is the interface which you will be getting, that you have to scroll it down, and on the bottom you will be getting an option of start server. Click on that one, and when you click on this one, it will automatically start the server and ask you to allow some permission. So one by one you have to allow all the permission, and your phone camera of your phone will automatically get started like this. See this? It is being started right now, and it will come up like this. Now the next step you have to do, you have to click on this action. Click on this action and you will be getting some options here. You have to click one thing, that is share IP. You have to click on this share IP, and you will be getting some options here like your WhatsApp, Facebook, or copy this one. So you have to click on this Gmail or WhatsApp, anything you can choose here. I'm gonna click on this Gmail, which will take you to directly to the Gmail account, and here you have to type your email address. So I'm gonna type my email address here, and then I type a subject. This is the IP address, and then I send this email address to my email address. So you can also send it back to your email address, and then you can send this one. And the moment you send this one, you will come back to this same screen, which is a camera screen, automatically open up. Now here again you have to click on this action, and again you will be getting all these options. Here you have to click on this run in the background. The moment you click on this one, click on OK, and this application automatically get closed, and your work is done on this application. All these things you have to do in your old phone, which you want to make it as a CCTV camera. Now to operate this as a CCTV camera, what I need to do, I need to go to my email address where I send my email. And on the top you can see this one. This is the email which I have received, and I will be getting an IP address here which I can able to click, or I can able to copy this one as well. I can click on this copy URL, go back to my Google Chrome and paste it here. The moment I paste this one and open this IP address, I will be reaching on this page. This is the control panel of the CCTV camera which you have installed in your old phone. You can able to operate that camera from here. You want to see the video, you want to take the photos, you want to zoom something, everything you can able to do it from here. See this? There are so many of options you will be getting here. Now first of all, what exactly you need to do, you have to click on this JavaScript, and the moment you click on this one, you will be getting the picture of the phone camera. See this? The application is being installed in this phone. This is the reason I'm watching this phone camera here. Otherwise, if you have installed in your old phone, you will watch the old phone video here in this panel. Now you can also press this one as well. That's a two-way audio. You can turn it on, and then you can able to listen the voice as well, what's going on in that particular area. And then you can scroll it down here. You can also take the photo by clicking on this one, take photo. Then it will automatically take the photo, and you can save it as well. You can also zoom it, you can also stream quality, you can also select the front and the back camera. You can change anything, you can change any point of time your front and the back camera, and you can able to monitor it. And then the motion detection, that is very useful and very important feature of this application. You can enable this one as well. So these are the features you will be getting with this application, which is absolutely free. These kind of features, if you want in any of the device, you have to pay lots of money, but here you will be getting absolutely free. You can make any old phone a CCTV camera, and then you can able to monitor it. So I hope you like this application. This application is really amazing. I will be putting the link in the description. You can check it from there. Any questions, simply comment below. We will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.